Hey guys, this is Tyler Heeman with SMP Tools, and this is the HammerTight wrench retainer. This tool eliminates the need for anyone's hands to be in the line of fire when working with hammer wrenches. To use the HammerTight, set your hammer wrench over the nut and screw the HammerTight onto the exposed threads. It only requires 2 to 3 threads to keep your hammer wrench in place. Each tool features the tie-off ring and a spring-loaded retaining plate that allows for both straight and offset hammer wrenches. Once you're in place, you can hammer your hammer wrench over. Eventually, you're going to come in contact with the next nut in the sequence. Simply retract the HammerTight and re-index the wrench so that you can more comfortably hammer. Once it's time to remove, just unthread the HammerTight and go on to the next one.